All right, we've got the yellow bike back up on the lift. We're going to open up the primary and see what's going on with the clutch in there. And then I might do some playing around inside the headlight a little bit more to see if I can find any wiring problems affecting the tachometer intermittently and or the speedometer at all times. I've actually ordered another Smith speedometer on my own dime just to have in the shop to use as a test unit to see if I can get it to work. Getting a little desperate here. So we're going to open up this primary now. All right, we've opened the primary, pulled the clutch plates out, cleaned the primary out. I have the clutch plates here on display. They were so locked together, I mean so tightly bound up, that we had to actually drive a wedge in between them to get them to release. They're so sticky. And I don't like them. So I'm going to order a new set of plates of a different style, and I'll show them to you when I get them. And what we're going to do is put in new plates. I'm going to put in both new fibers and steels. I always do a complete set. So we'll put in new fibers and steels and see if that doesn't solve the hard shifting problem. What we'll do is Kevin will go through his invoices, because he put these in here not too long ago, and give the client credit back for the cost of these plates, and then we will then invoice him for the cost of the new plates. However, we're doing this labor-free because we consider this to be warranty. My warranty is very simple, and Kevin has adopted my warranty. My warranty is literally, or simply put, anything I work on is guaranteed for the rest of your life. And that's just the way it is. If I worked on it and it ain't right, I'm going to fix it. Now, that doesn't apply to defective parts, of course, but it covers labor for sure. And if the parts are obviously wrong, well, heck, I'll absorb that too. But these, I don't like them. I just don't like the style. And I'm going to get a different style and put them in on labor-free, only charging for the difference in the new between the new plates and the plates that are in there now. And I think that's going to solve the problem. Now, in the meantime, it's up on the lift. I'm going to go in the headlight. I'm going to go into the headlight and play with wiring a little bit more and see if I can't find out why the tachometer doesn't always reset and why the speedometer is not working at all. Like I said before, I've ordered another speedometer on my own dime, trying to get it in here as quickly as possible to try it. And we'll see what happens.